One of the workflow that WPC was interested in was the ability to go ahead and track insurance and certifications. I've created this workflow within our issue module within Autodesk Build. What I've done is I went on and went into our filter section here and created an insurance type of issue through our settings section, types, added certification and insurance. From here, users such as project admins have the ability to go ahead and add in different issues with the title insurance and be able to track this different information. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and let's say I've just signed on a group of framer as my subcontractor, and they had submitted my insurance certification to myself. And this is how I'm gonna go ahead and create this issue here. Framer. Actually, CLI. This is where I'm gonna go ahead and add in that due date. So I'm gonna look at this certificate of insurance, look at that expiration date and set that as my due date. So what that means is once the issue or the insurance is going to expire, I'm going to get a report depending on how I set up my report and get a warning that, hey, this certification is about to expire. So then my project team, whether if it's the project admin as well as the project manager, can see, hey, these are the approaching due date of these different certification. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it expiring next year. And the start date is when that certificate of insurance starts. So I'll say it starts last week and hit create. All right. Furthermore, I'm going to actually go ahead and go into this issue that was assigned to that person. They can come in here and have the ability to go ahead and add in those references, right? So as Frankie the Framer can come in here and add in his certificate of insurance, he can also do that and reference in that file here. Checklist, project files. So now this issue is becoming trackable. The insurance topic is part of the issue, right? That's your issue type. And then you could see when this COI is due or is up, as well as when the COI started. So that way you can come in here and look at this certification at any given time and see when that due date is being done. Furthermore, I'm gonna go ahead and start to create that submittal reporting or that issue reporting. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and create that template here or create the report. Come in here, giving it a title. I'm going to filter this by type, insurance, add another filter and filter this by due date. And I'm going to say that the due date is going to be within the next 30 days. So that way my project administrator or my project manager can see, hey, these are the subcontractor that has the approaching insurance that's going to expire within 30 days. And then they can go ahead and look at this report and get to work on the report, notifying these sub to make sure that they need to submit their new certification of insurance. All right. I also have the ability to run this report or schedule the report as well. So what I would normally do here is a monthly reporting, right? Since we schedule it out for monthly, I can do a monthly reporting on the 30th, on every first day of the month at a certain time, and then also the start and end date as well. And then what I could also do is I can share this with other project members. So if essentially acting as that distribution list. So, at every month at this given time, all these the people that that you've added within this member list is going to get that email of that report. And I'm going to go ahead and save that schedule. Now I'm going to go ahead and run that report. And so that report's being ran and it's going to go ahead and being sent to my email directly. And here's how that report is going to look like. You could see the total items that are going to be due within the next month, and as well as the status, right? This is open, this is a certification of insurance. It's assigned to Gary Glaze, and it was created on this date, and it's going to be due on a certain date. So then this is where and how you're going to get that insurance reporting and to see, who's up to date, who's not up to date, and be able to manage your job that way.